Greetings and welcome to UT Bridal. I recently had the opportunity to present my LUXE DIY Veil Kit at Pottery Barn Town Country wedding registry event. Claudia Reimann, Pottery Barn's Bridal Associate, was there to welcome us and answer any wedding registry questions you may have. I got to meet the cutest couples and just the nicest customers who were open to share their marriage tip or their wedding tip with us. So enjoy!
Hello, my name is Ines and my husband is Glenn. So we've been married for over a year now. Last March we had a beach wedding in the Philippines where I'm from. So my tip for those couples planning for the wedding is always have your budget, and like if you go overboard, kind of have to sacrifice some of the things that you don't really like. Because that's my mistake, that with our invitation stuff like that, other little details on the wedding, we kind of like, I got too excited. So that's my mistake. So don't get too excited. Just plan accordingly and see what is really important and not so important.
My advice is if you can survive wedding planning, then you can survive a marriage.
Hi, my name's Carrie.
And I'm Alice.
And our tip for wedding planning is do a destination wedding. Take just your family and your friends you really care about. You'll have a much better time and they'll have a lot of fun.
My tip for a happy marriage is to make sure you guys maintain outside relationships and outside interests, so that way you always have something new and exciting to bring to the relationship and you're not just solely involved in each other's worlds.
That's our tip for the day.
Thank you.
From Houston, Texas. Hook 'em.
Hi, I'm Angela. I've been married over 20 years now, and my marriage tip is to have fun, love unconditionally, and always meet each person halfway. And we never go to bed angry. We always go to bed laughing and talking about our day. Always make time for each other to share your day. So yeah, 20 years.
You can say your first name and your tip on how you guys stayed together for 19 years.
Patience. A lot of patience.
Life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful.
I love that one.
My name's Laura. I've been married for 12 years, and I would say my tip would be patience. Just, be patient, stick through it, thick and thin.
My name's Priscilla. Been married for 13 years. 14 this coming October, and my marriage tip would be to let your wife pick out the furniture.
Yeah, thank you, because we are in a furniture store.
Hi, my name's Robbie, and we've been married 14 years. And my marriage tip is to let your wife pick furniture.
So I'm Bart, this is Kristen, and we've been married 25 years.
And I would say for us, our marriage tip is that we go to church.
Yep.
And with that, we, our faith is very strong in God, and that's I would say that's our big thing.
I mean, even with all that, it's work. So we figured out how to communicate, and we never let any kind of disagreement go much longer than, I don't know, maybe 24 hours before we start talking about it. And we learned how to forgive each other, so that's huge.
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much for sharing that.
Greetings, guys. We had a lot of wonderful marriage tips today, but some of the guests just didn't want to be on camera, so I thought I would just read them to you. So the first person that shared was Jasmine, and she said to pick your battles. Everything is not worth a fight or argument. Kay said date someone for a while before you get to know them and don't rush into it. She was someone that had an experience with divorce, so that was coming from her experience. Julie said date nights and one-on-one time. Vacation at least once a year, her husband Gabriel, and they've been married for 2 years. Franny and Peyton, they've been married for 45 years, and they said keep your sense of humor. Alyssa said marriage is like a table. The legs are the most important part, and you need the legs for support so that you can build your marriage with a great support system. Then also Ted and Elizabeth, they've been married for 40 years, and they said marriage evolves because we as individuals evolve, and that is where acceptance comes in.
Hey, my name is Ricardo. I'm one of the managers at Pottery Barn, and I guess my life tip or my tip would be from myself and my fiance to any newlyweds or anybody just getting married would be to make choices and to make decisions that are best for you and your new family. Even though lots of people are going to be giving you tips and advice and so forth, do what's best for you and your new family.
So true, Ricardo. I thought I would end with that excellent tip. I want to take this time to thank Jen and the whole Pottery Barn team with heart for always making me feel welcome, and I always have a great time at their store. To join in all the fun at their store, search Pottery Barn Town Country, visit their website, and you'll be able to see their address, phone number, and store hours. Scroll down and you'll be able to see all the events happening in their stores. Click on View Store Events, and that will allow you to see all the events happening at Pottery Barn Town & Country. As you can see here, the registry event was this past Sunday, August 19th. So make sure you continue checking the website to see more fun events in the future. Thank you, Alyssa, for coming out and showing love and support. I greatly appreciate it. And thank you for watching. Please let me know which one was your favorite tip, and feel free to leave a wedding planning tip, marriage tip, or even a life tip. And I hope you have an extraordinary day.